Now NBC5 investigates. Jury selection took up most of the second day in the trial of Timothy Mapes. He's the one-time chief of staff for former Illinois House Speaker Mike Madigan. Prosecutors allege that Mapes lied in front of a grand jury in an effort to obstruct an investigation into his former boss. NBC5 investigates. Bennett Haeberle has been watching this trial. He's got the latest for us. Bennett.
Alex, opening statements are now expected Wednesday morning. As you mentioned, it's taken 2 full days to seat a jury. I'm told that's happened just within the past 10 minutes. 6 men, 6 women, and 3 alternates who will now hear the evidence in this perjury trial. Before the start of his trial, Tim Mapes' attorneys tried unsuccessfully to limit some of what the jurors might hear. A judge shot down the lawyer's attempts to stop jurors from hearing that Mapes had been offered immunity as the feds investigated his former boss, former Illinois House Speaker Michael Madigan, over allegations that Madigan used his power and influence to benefit himself and others. According to the indictment, Mapes is accused of lying to a grand jury about his knowledge of communications between Madigan and his close confidant, Michael McLean. In court filings, prosecutors wrote that a judge had admonished Mapes that he must testify truthfully, which underscores that the defendant's responses were part of a calculated effort to lie, and that by responding "I don't recall" to certain questions, that Mapes was attempting to answer in a manner that he thought would be difficult to prove false. Mapes' attorneys have said that he testified truthfully. His defense attorneys also sought to suppress information that Mapes met with 2 FBI agents back in 2019. He's accused of telling McLean and Madigan about that meeting. Prosecutors alleged that Mapes' actions reflect his loyalty to Madigan and McLean and his intent to keep Madigan abreast of the government's investigation. The judge in this case ruled the jurors could potentially hear that, too. The Mapes attorneys were able, however, to argue that the FBI agents' handwritten notes should be included at trial. That's something that they thought would be relevant. This case expected to last up 3 weeks. If convicted, Mapes could face up to 20 years on the obstruction charge and up to 5 on that false declaration charge. Marion?
Thanks so much, Bennett.